Hello again, my name is Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today I'm looking at the Coolmax 500W SLI power supply. This particular product has a continuous wattage of 500, which is ample power for today's computer systems. Now, how is this wattage determined? Well, to understand that, you need to know what rails are. Rails are basically well-regulated transformers which convert domestic current into the voltages that your computer system can use. And there are essentially two different rails, the 3.3/5 volt rail and the 12 volt rail. In this particular case, the approximate maximum peak output of the 3.3/5 volt rail is 275 watts and the 12 volt is 380 watts, which is essentially how the wattage of this power supply is determined. The 3.3/5 volt rail is responsible for the motherboard, memory, PCI cards, AGP card, and so on, while the 12 volt rail is responsible for the hard drives, DVD, CD-ROM, fans, etc. Also, some might be interested to know the peak amps on each rail. The plus 3.3 volt is 30 amps, and the plus 5 volt is 45 amps. Now, unlike most power supplies that only have one plus 12 volt rail, this unit has two. One is 18 amps and the other is 16. This power supply comes with a very quiet 120mm fan. This fan can be controlled at the back of the power supply with this 3-speed fan control switch. You can set it to an automatic, a high, or a low setting. Additionally, at the back here there are a number of ventilation holes. In combination with this 120mm fan, the inside of the power supply will remain cool. At the back as well is the power cable connection and the on-off switch. This unit has lots of leads, but there's only one that's sleeved, and this is the main 24-pin or 20-pin motherboard lead, as well as a 4-pin connection. They also include a 4-pin to 8-pin motherboard adapter, as well as 6 standard 4-pin Mulux connectors, 2 serial ATA, 2 floppy, and 2 PCI Express video card connections. Perfect for an SLI video card setup. Finally, how to listen to the power supply. I'll set it to the low setting first. And the high. If you're in the market for an SLI power supply, but you're on a budget, you definitely want to check this particular product out. It offers great performance and it's quiet. Overall, this is a kick-ass product. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds. This has been another video review. Be sure to check back very soon. I will have a brand new one for you then. Also pop into my website at www.3dgameman.com. And while you're there, you can go into the forums and register. And remember, registration is completely free. Also keep in mind, you can find out a lot more on this product in the forums. And as a final note, if you love watching my video reviews, please help support 3dgameman.com. Until next time, take care.